can you unmute yourself and walk everybody through the funk? And I'll get you out of the funk.
So the reason I called you yesterday, I sell property and casualty insurance. All of my marketing is 100% to realtors and lenders. I'm not actually insuring their homes, but I want their clients that are moving through the process of purchasing a home to be referred over to me. The last rate hike that just happened about 10 days or so ago, it just completely stopped everything here. And really August 1st, everything just pretty much stopped for me. I've seen the lenders that are my referral partners. They have nothing in the pipeline. They're saying August is going to be a great month for them, but that's carryover from July. We'd already set everything up 30 to 45 days in advance. They have nothing in the pipeline in September. So I'm not sure if it's just the area that I'm in, but I'm really not sure where to go with my marketing. There's only so many times I feel like I can call on these consistent referral partners that have sent business to me over the last 2.5 years. But I'm just stuck. Just completely stuck as far as lead gen goes.
You're stuck. You're in a funk. It's sad. It's depressing.
Yeah.
The market sucks. Yes?
Yep.
All right. Are you ready? Good. Good. I'm going to give you some good news for this. Okay? Because you're on Easton University, all right? We're going to leverage our times in all of our careers when things suck. Are there times when the market is beating us down? The thing that we need to realize, and I'll give you permission, we can all take 10 minutes, 15 minutes and cry, oh God, this sucks, right? But then it's time to get to work, all right? We're going to get to work creatively, okay? And Justin, here's what I want you to do. I want you to realize this. This is actually, I know it's going to sound crazy, but a good thing. Because the market sucks for you. Who else does it suck for? Sucks for the lenders. Sucks for the agents. Nobody can afford to lose a deal. Am I right? There's so few deals out there, we can't afford to lose a deal. This is why you are now going to, after this coaching call, you're going to do what I call pivot, okay? And you're going to pivot your value proposition. Here's the thing. Although the market sucks, although rates are through the roof, although there's fewer deals than there has been in a long time, all right, the planet has not exploded. People are still moving, all right? Here's the thing. The same way you felt yesterday, the same way you felt last night, are the same way that lenders feel and the same way that agents feel. Everybody is like, oh my God, am I going to have to sell my ski condo? Am I going to be able to pay my kids' college tuition? I am not getting the deals that I was getting before because the market is slower and I can't afford to lose the deals I have. And that's the feeling that you're going to leverage. So instead of calling them and saying, hey, are there any deals that I can help you insure, to which they're going to say, no, man, the market's dead. You're going to now call, and not just the people that you have existing relationships. You're going to call them, but I want you to call everybody. We're going to go full court blitz, and your messaging is going to sound somewhat like this. Hey, it's Justin, and I've got an idea that I wanted to reach out to you personally. Can you give me a call on my mobile, 720-660-3202? Okay, you're not going to say what it is because we need them to call you back. If they answer, you're going to jump right into this. So, you know, if you're anything like most lenders, if you're anything like most agents, I get it. You know, we're right there with you. We're tracking everything. The market is shrunk considerably. Although I don't have any friends at the Fed and can't change the rates, here's what I'm able to do. On those deals that you have now, the last thing that you want is to have this thing go sideways, either before it hits escrow, during escrow, because that particular buyer is not able to get insurance, okay? If you can't afford a miss, which you can't, get me involved. Even if I'm not going to insure the deal, I am happy to look everything over for you and make sure that all of the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted and that this thing is going to get across the goal line. Because if you're anything like most lenders, or if it's an agent, if you're anything like most agents, deals are fewer and further between than they were 12 to 18 months ago. And the last thing you want is a deal to blow up over insurance. I want to give you my number. You can call me. You can text me. 24/7, 365. I don't care if it's Saturday. I don't care if it's Sunday at 9 p.m. I don't even care if it's my deal. What I do care about is making sure that your deals get across the goal line. Okay? Now, if you're a lender and you hear that, that's a light at the end of the tunnel. That's a breath of fresh air. Okay? That is what's... Are there deals still being done? Yup. And if I heard that from you, Justin, I'm going to be like, dude, we got to get... Hey, Tommy, get those 4 deals that we've got. I got a guy, Justin. He's going to look over them. We have to make sure, and they're going to start using your words, that our T's are crossed and our I's are dotted. Damn it. We can't afford to lose the deal. And if you think this sounds crazy, there's somebody on this call right now that experienced exactly a very similar version to what I'm talking about. Okay? Robert, I don't want to get into the details. Please, let's not get into the details on my deal. But Robert is going to be listing our house here. All right? We're moving to a much larger house. Robert got me involved. He recommended a few lenders. I went and saw one of the lenders. This is not Robert's fault, by the way. I'm not saying anything bad about Robert. But I went and saw one of the lenders. It was a complete freaking disaster, right? This guy was millions of dollars off of the loan that I needed. We weren't even in the stratosphere, okay? And it was literally like, it felt better after Robert solved the problem, but it was literally like, ugh, I got punched in the gut. Because I was looking at a house that was X of millions of dollars and like, hey, I got no problem. I can afford that. I ran through the numbers even at 7%. And I'm like, no problem. All day, every day, baby. And twice on Sunday, we're getting a big ass house. Okay? Meet with this lender that Robert recommended. And the guy was a doofus. He showed up late. He had a stain on his t-shirt, right? Not one t-shirt, it's a button-down short sleeve. I want to give him credit for at least having buttons. Right? And then the guy talked to me as if I was somebody that made about 1/5 of the money that I make right now. In the meeting, oh, you'll never get a house like that. You'll never be qualified. So I immediately got in my car and called Robert and said this, unskillful, I have my moments too. Robert, I know you got drones coming by the house tonight or tomorrow. Deal's off. Deal's off. Well, I'm done. I'm out, right? If I can't get financing on this level of house, nobody can. I'm all good. To which Robert had to go, I get it. I'm with you. Agree, right? Agree first. He didn't get into an argument with me. And by the way, I was out of my mind. I was upset, right? Deal is off, Robert. To which Robert then had to call me back and Robert got me in touch with Lou. Matt, first off, right? I want to help you. I'm not even licensed in the state you want to buy in. I'm here to help you no matter what. By the way, Robert told me a little bit about the story. I want to hear it from you. But from what I heard from Robert, whoever had talked to you was out of their freaking mind. I got you covered. And in 10 seconds, Lou got me excited, to which I called Robert. When deal's back on, Robert, schedule the drone. Okay? And this is happening all day, every day out there. In a market where there's few and further deals, you cannot afford to have partners in your orbit that are going to screw your deals up. And Justin, this is what you are going to leverage. Because I guarantee you, Robert is not the only agent that's had this happen to him. I guarantee you there's lenders that have had this happen to him. You are going to be the ace. In tough times, where do we go? We go to Justin. Right? Send all of our deals, and you're going to have to do a little bit of extra work. Send all our deals to Justin. He's going to review them. All right?
All right.
Feel good?
Yeah.
Feel better? It's a better track, right? This is a collaborative track. We're going to work the problem, okay? We're going to leverage the problem. We're now going to be an expert. Are you tired of barely making quota every month, or worse? Are you not making your quota? Are you not hitting your numbers? Are you worried that you're going to lose your job in sales? All that can change for you within the next 60 days. Hi, my name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world, and we can help you double, yeah, you heard me correctly, double the amount of sales that you're making, double your quota, and double your income within the next 60 days with Easton University Sales Coaching. Click the link here, and we're going to show you how you'll have access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It has everything you need to know to double your income, double your commissions, double your quota within the next 60 days. You're also going to have the ability to join live coaching with me twice a week. I'm going to be there with you every step of the way. You got a question on prospecting? I've got you covered. You want to know how to close? We'll walk through it. You want to be able to skillfully handle objections and complaints? I will walk you through in the live settings. Check out Easton University. Click the link now. You're going to see 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you that have doubled their income in the last 60 days. Click the link here. I want to talk to you about how we can help you sell twice as much within the next 60 days.